There's a song on my children's album that's called A Hain Ado a Tree. Well, the album is called Ulabula. The song is called A Hain Ado a Tree. And it's a super simple song. It's the easiest song in the world to sing. Very simple melody. And the lyrics are the numbers 1 to 10 sung in Irish. On one of the recordings, you can also hear my friends and neighbours, Farah and Mohammed, singing 1 to 10 in Arabic. And when I sing this song live with kids, sometimes I've got a band with me, sometimes I'm solo. What I always do, and it's really lovely, is I ask the audience, the group of kids, can anyone count to 10 in any other languages? And I've had kids sing into the microphone counting to 10 in Romanian, Japanese, Portuguese, loads of different languages. And it's always so cute. Sometimes the kids are shy and they themselves don't want to sing, but their parents will. Or sometimes they don't want to sing, but they want to tell me that they can count to 10 in that language. And that's cool too. There's loads of reasons I like singing it like this, partly because it's really cute and fun hearing kids count to 10. Also, there's kids all over the country who speak a language at home, but don't get opportunities to speak that language outside of the home, either just because they don't know other people who speak the language, or they don't feel confident to speak it outside the home, or they're not sure if it'll be accepted or encouraged. And I think it's really lovely to give kids that little opportunity to celebrate their languages. And maybe if you're a teacher and you're singing this song in a classroom, maybe this is something you can add to it when you're singing the song with kids too. Okay, slán.